Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create cracked surface effect in Photoshop with the help of smart filters. Import your wall or surface textures, image in Photoshop, convert to smart object and apply filter and select crystallize, and also adjust cell size for crack patterns and apply filter, select smart sharpening, lower sharpening for the subtle textures and mask out the crack where needed. Add noise for realism, realistic roughness, reduce opacity for noise, tweak crystallize setting anytime and add gradient map for color grading. Blend using soft light mode and apply secondary smart filter if needed.